Hello and welcome. This is the Loadsense Helper X Certified Edition, and I'm here to take you through some of the basics and maybe a little bit more in depth in the unit. So, as per our last video, we learned how to choose the customers and products, selecting them with the F keys in conjunction with the grey panels and icons. Now let me take you through the process of adding a customer. When we press the F2 button for a customer, along the bottom you can see the grey icons. You have F2, which indicates a plus, an F3, which is a cross for deleting, an F4, which takes you to the very top of the page should you have a lot of customers, and F5 indicates our search. First, the search. We press F5, it then prompts you. This is for, instead of scrolling up and down through the page using the navigation key, this makes the search a lot faster. For example, should we want someone that starts with a W, I will put in the W or the first two letters of the customer, press OK, and we will be taken down to the start of the W's, as the indicator shows everything in alphabetical order. Then it is just a short search using the navigation key down to the selected customer and then press OK. Now, should we have to add a new customer, press F2 and go back into the customer catalogue. Where it says F2 and the plus, you can go in and then you can add a new customer. For this, we shall add an example of Bob. Press OK once the new customer has been loaded. It will then ask you if you want to add a street, a code, city, province, everything like that. If no is required, press sideways arrow and it will put you straight back in. The customer is then added to the list. Press OK and you're ready to go. The same works for the product key. Should I want to add a product, I press F3 to take me to the products, and I can choose my F2 to select or delete a product, or F5 to search. Press F5, it prompts me to find a certain product. For example, I want Gap 20, I press G, A, press OK, and it will take me to the start of the GA. Then I can scroll down to select the appropriate product. Now, the F1 button here shows a zeroing process. If I pressed F1, it will then ask me if I would like to zero the selected product or zero all the products. I then scroll to whichever I require, and using the grey key here, prompted by the F3, I press OK. It asks me if I am sure that I want to do that. Yes. And then I zero all the products. Now, using the navigation wheel, if I was to go back, I can then go back to the products and see they've all been zeroed. Should you want to print the products, you can go through into your products menu by pressing your F3. It takes me through to my products, and then at the end of the day I require to print the totals. By pressing the print key, it'll ask me if I want to print the selected product, print all the products used for the day, print all the products in total, and print all the products by date. I generally suggest that you print all the products used, and using the navigation wheel, there is no data to print because we cleared it earlier. Now, should you get to a situation like this, the easiest way to go back to the start screen is to press your menu button again, and it will always take you home.